Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then you need to share your TradingView ID so that this custom sequence can be added to your TradingView chart, which is free of cost. This is a social service which I am doing. If you are already existing, then you need to verify, backtest, live test, forward test. Once you are completely satisfied what I am saying, then you can start trading. Okay, now since new people are joined in social service, so it's my responsibility to update about that. So I want to update what happened today, how to handle the market. First of all, keep only one thing in your mind. What I am sharing is mechanism of market. It's not strategy. Okay, with mechanism we can make any strategy. So I am sharing the mechanism. Okay guys, okay, let's see what we need to do. It's not about candle closing. Once again I am repeating, it is not about candle closing. Just crossing is enough. 1 point, 2 point breaching, 2 point breaching is enough. Okay na, because in algo I have made like that only. Breaching of 2 point is an entry, so like that only I have made. So breaching is enough. It's not about closing. Okay na. Next, this is for opening trade. Okay na, this is for opening trade. After opening trade, there are many other layers are there in this market. I mean, many mechanisms are there. In order to be a profitable trader, initially follow opening trade. Okay na, there are 20 working days. Out of 20 working days, since our risk reward ratio is 1:4, 1:5, out of 20 days, just 3 trade is enough. I mean 3 profitable trade is enough. Okay na, we will be in profit. Definitely we will not getting 3, we will be getting more than that. So just for a thing I am saying these things. Okay na, you verify. So today, when's market open in bank nifty, okay na, price crossed this area. Okay na, once price crossed this area, we need to be in a buy position of put option, provided our stop loss should be midpoint. Can you see this midpoint? Midpoint below line. The below, actually after our entry there will be a line below. So that is the midpoint we need to keep a stop loss. So in this case, roughly if you check what is the stop loss is, entry stop loss. See, just 20 point stop loss, which is nothing but 6%. Okay na, 6% is our stop loss. So this is our stop loss. Second entry we can take, provided it should be a morning trade. This is our second entry, where you can see guys, exactly before 10:30 we need to close the trade, as I have mentioned below in previous video. This is our second entry where price is crossing here. Can I see here? So this is where price is crossing. From 325 it went to 439, which is almost 36%. So in a opening we can able to take a trade. If you are getting opportunity to twice, you can able to take, but provided it should be a opening trade. After 10:30 there are many other mechanisms are there, so we need to know about those things. Before that, just follow this. A beginner, no issue. If you are following one trade, no issue. Daily one trade is enough. Okay, now at last in a month you will be in profitable. If you are practiced to these things, then you can try the second trade, provided it should be a morning trade. Again I am repeating, provided it should be a morning trade. Okay na? So this is how 36% easily we can able to capture, provided our risk will be same 6%. This is our entry, this is our risk. Always risk will be less. So in this case also 6% risk. So first trade 6% loss, and second trade if you are making 36%. So in an overall you can able to make 30%. And one more thing, this is not a daily, it will not give a daily profit. It will not its capability is to give a profit on monthly basis and quarterly basis. In order to reduce drawdown, in order to increase the risk reward ratio, and there are many other things are there. Okay, soon I will be covering those parts to you guys. Okay, because still, since you are active, I am also active, so that is the reason I am posting this video right now. Okay, so utilize my social service, kindly share your feedback, be a responsible trader. Okay na, as per me, we need to be a responsible trader rather than a gambling type of a trader. Okay, I want to define the risk before entering into the trade. If my stop loss trigger, I want to accept that. Okay na, that is the mentality you need to have as a trader. Don't do any revenge trade. Plan according to your goal for an intraday trade. Do that. If it is done, then be ideal, because initial stage is very very important, not only in trading career, in everywhere. Initial stage is very very important, whereas in this stock market that initial trade is very very crucial. The reason is fund fluctuation. Okay now, if we are having 40,000 capital, easily per day 5,000 risk reward is possible here, easily possible. That too in options, 10% is nothing. Okay now, possible. Whereas in another any other business, per day risk reward will not be like that. Okay now, so in order to treat this as a business, we need to be following with the discipline, and we need to follow with proper risk management. Okay now, so remember this guys, why I'm saying this is, I want to encourage new people, and I want old people who are not sustaining in this market, who have left the market, I want to give a comeback. Those people have to give a comeback with these simple mechanisms are there in this market. Once you are able to understand the mechanism, then market is nothing, nobody can stop. Okay na, you can able to make money slow and steadily, provided you need to know the mechanism. Simple. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm coming up with a weekly forecast in 2-3 days, so you can expect something big in my forecast. It will be picture perfect, it will be having some kind of perfection which you cannot imagine. Okay na, I'm once again saying, just follow my words and you can feel something better and something unique. Okay na, okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.